Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we wanted to look at the Pinterest ads account structure. So once you open the account with Pinterest ads, this is how the structure is going to be, wherein the first thing which we do is we create a campaign. Campaigns are going to be like a broad categorization done of our business. And this is where you can set up the daily or a lifetime budget, which you can give. You can also choose the type of campaign which you want to create out here. Then this campaign will contain ad groups. Ad groups are going to be the subcategories or you can say subfolders in the main folder, okay, where you can categorize your various products and services. This also comes with a budget option. Okay, you can do your targetings, bidding strategy setup, okay, start date, end date of the campaign. Everything is being designed, set up in this particular level, which is the ad group level. And then inside the ad groups, we are going to create our promoted pins. So where you're going to create a pin, you can create the ad about the pin. So all that happens at the third level, the lowest level, which is to creating the promoted pin over there. So this is how the structure is going to be, pyramid structure, where the account will contain campaigns, campaigns will contain multiple ad groups, and every ad group will contain multiple promoted pins. Every business would need to design their business structure according to this particular structure and then set up their campaigns in the Pinterest ads account. I hope this makes sense. You understand the structure now and you can build it out as well for your own business. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.